our art friend. Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony. So let's start drawing. First, draw a curved line to start the bang. Then draw an upside down letter V and extend the line to the right of the letter V. Then draw a curve coming up slightly to the left till it reaches the top of the letter V. Then draw another upside down letter V that's slightly tilted and decorate it with a couple of curved lines. To finish the unicorn horn, extend the line on the other side of the horn until it reaches the same level as the line at the bottom. Connect the two lines together with a curve. Decorate the bangs by drawing a curved line at the base of the horn. Then draw another similar two lines next to it and another line near the end. Draw two more lines on the other side, intersecting the horn. Draw an oval shape under the left side of the bang for the eye. Make the eye partially hidden behind the bang. Draw a half oval shape inside to the right for the iris. Then draw a smaller one inside. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And color it, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw 3 eyelashes at the top and another 3 at the bottom. Draw a curved line coming down from the bang to the right of the eye. Then draw half an oval shape connected to it under the eye to make the nose and the face outline. Draw the second eye partially hidden behind the nose by drawing half an oval shape. Then draw another half oval shape for the eye and smaller one inside for the pupil. Then color it, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw the eyelashes the same as the first eye. Draw a curved line right next to the right eye to finish the face outline. On the left side of the bang, draw an upside down letter V to make the ear. Decorate it with a curve inside. Draw a letter L coming down from the ear. Make a vertical line coming down from its end. Then draw a curve going outwards. Then another curve connected to it. Then draw a line going down that's slightly tilted. Connect this line to the ear with a curve to finish the mane. Decorate the bottom part of the mane with 3 curved lines. Then draw another line on each of the strands. Draw a small horizontal line coming out from the left side of the mane. Then draw a diagonal curve intersecting this line. Then connect the letter U to it to make the wing. Make a curved zigzag line in the middle of the wing. Decorate the wing with some lines. Draw a vertical line coming down from the wing. Draw a tiny line going outward. Draw a long curved line going down. Make a horizontal line at its bottom. Then draw a longer curved line on the other side to make the legs. Draw a curved line coming down from the bottom of the face, then going slightly to the left. To make the second leg, draw a long line coming down. Then complete the leg the same as the first one. Connect the two legs together at the top with a curve. Draw a third leg similarly on the right side. For the fourth leg, Connect the two legs on the left with a small line. For the tail, draw a long curved line coming out from the top of the wing, going up then all the way down. Draw another curved line coming out from right under the wing. Connect the two lines together at the bottom with a diagonal line, making an upside down letter V near the left side. Decorate the tail with 3 lines in the middle. Then another line on each side. In the nose part, draw a curve for the mouth and a smaller curve above it for the nostril. Under the wing, we are going to draw the cutie mark. Draw a letter V, then draw another letter V on each side, each facing the center. Then draw a 4th letter V on the right side. This star is going to be partially hidden behind the wing. We're going to draw another complete one under it. Repeat this step 2 more times to make 2 more stars. Sparkle-tastic! Now you can draw Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.